Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up our 18 F350 for you. Go through all the options. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Your wipers, horn, radio. There's your heater fan. Left front, right front, right rear, and your left rear. Power locks work. You can see the mirror working. So everything works on it. It does have automatic headlights, but we'll put them on manual. And headlights, let's take a listen to the engine. So a lot of these 6.2 gases, they work really well. Haven't had any issues with them. You can see your tail lights, your license plate lamps. So everything works on the truck as it should. So if you have any questions, 605-692-7010.